Two of the biggest names in investing, Robinhood and Charles Schwab, face off in a showdown. Which one truly earned your trust? On the left, Robinhood, the app that promises commission-free, instant trading. On the right, Charles Schwab, the established giant with deep resources and wide offerings. We're comparing them on what matters most: ease of use, fees, investment options, mobile features, support, and more. Let's cut through the marketing and look at how these platforms really stack up for investors like you. Each category gets a score, and by the end, you'll know exactly which broker stands out where. And the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a mind map of what we're comparing. We've got fees and commissions, ease of use, research and tools, investment options, safety and support, and, of course, how easy they are for beginners. Let's see where each one shines. Let's kick things off with fees and commissions. And honestly, it's a real toss-up here. Both Robinhood and Schwab give you zero commission stock and ETF trades, so you're not losing cash just to buy or sell. Both also skip account minimums, which, thank you, finally, right? But a little heads up, Robinhood does have some account transfer fees, while Schwab might hit you with fees for specific mutual funds or if you need broker-assisted trade. But for most folks, it's basically a tie. Now, moving on to ease of use. If you've ever opened Robinhood's app, you know it's basically the definition of simple. It's easy, slick, onboarding's a breeze, and you're up and trading in 5 minutes? The only catch, it's a bit too locked down. Not a lot of customization. Schwab, on the other hand, has every tool under the sun from their desktop platform to the mobile app. Tons of features, but wow, it can feel intimidating if you're new. So if you want straight to the point, Robinhood wins here. Okay, on to research and tools. And this is where things get interesting. Robinhood keeps it basic. Think casual market data and just a pinch of education. But if you want to dig deep, Schwab goes full library mode. Extensive research reports, advanced screeners, real-time data, almost too much if you're only half paying attention. But for research nerds, Schwab totally clinches this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Charles Schwab has been around since 1971, which is ages before Robinhood even existed. Robinhood only launched in 2013. Just wild, right? Let's talk investment options. Robinhood's got all the basics covered. Stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, which is cool. Fractional shares too, but no mutual funds or bonds at all. Schwab, though, is like a buffet. Stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, options, futures, all of it. And yes, fractional shares. If you want crypto, though, Schwab only has Bitcoin and Ether ETFs, so not much action there. Schwab definitely takes the crown for sheer range. Next up, safety and support. Robinhood, yeah, they're insured. They've got two-factor authentication, but there's a history of outages, and customer support can be, let's say, slow to RSVP. Schwab, rock-solid reputation, full-on 24/7 phone support, actual branch locations if you miss talking to humans face-to-face. The app's not the fanciest, but wow, support is a whole different story. Schwab is the clear winner for peace of mind. And for the last round for beginners. This is Robinhood's home turf. If you're new, it's as friendly as it gets. No jargon, instant setup, you're trading before you know it. But if you want to get a little more advanced, it starts to feel like a toy. Schwab actually does have solid education and even some guided portfolio stuff. But let's be real, it can be complex for total newbies. So, Robinhood keeps the advantage here. Right, let's do a quick recap and look at the scores laid out side by side. It's kind of like a radar chart in your head. You can see where Robinhood's clean and easy approach gets big points, but Schwab's experience and sheer number of features makes it a powerhouse for more serious investors. So, verdict time. If simplicity and beginner friendliness are at the top of your wish list, Robinhood is honestly hard to beat. But if you want more options, deeper research, and next-level support, Schwab's got the edge. Overall, Schwab comes out a little ahead just because of its depth and reliability. But Robinhood's still awesome if you just want to get started today. If this comparison helped you out, don't forget to follow along for more. I'll be back soon with the latest investing platform breakdowns, so stick around if you want to stay